Hi, friends. I'm Webmaster Chris Heidlebaugh with Colorado Web Impressions, where we help Colorado small businesses just like yours succeed online. And in this video, I want to talk to you about our Colorado Springs web design services. You see, your website is your new business card. And if you are in the Colorado Springs area and you're targeting, Colorado Springs local residents, this is where Colorado Springs SEO and Colorado Springs web design really come together. And why is it Colorado Springs so important? Because we're not necessarily focusing on Denver or Fort Collins or Dallas, Texas, right? This is where it makes a difference because we're talking about local things for here. So we're talking about, if you are a roofer, it'd be like Colorado Springs Roofing. Are you looking for a Colorado Springs roofer? And the purpose of that is the people that are looking for your services in Colorado Springs might be typing in Colorado Springs plus a keyword or keyword plus Colorado Springs. This also affects your Google My Business, social media, and other digital marketing principles. And so when you're looking for a Colorado Springs web designer, we're focusing on helping your business get found in the local areas. And what's really important for us is we want to make sure your website is fast loading, is mobile friendly, and it's also secure. A lot of people are going to view your website via a mobile phone, especially if you are a B2C kind of company. And it's one of those kind of concepts that since your website is your new business card, I mean, people are finding out about you at 3 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, they're finding out about your business, that sometimes the first impression they get of your business is going to be a web impression. That's why we're called, that's why our company name is Colorado Web Impressions, because the first impression of your business might just be a web impression. So sometimes people are going to judge your business based on the impression they get from your website. And I've said this before in other videos, but imagine you went to a restaurant, but first you went to the website, and the website of that restaurant made it seem like it was the most beautiful, amazing food restaurant you've ever seen. And you go there and you're like, wow, this was not very good. But the website made it seem great. Well, it's just a website. It's the impression that it gave. Alternatively, you might know a business owner or a realtor or a lawyer, an attorney or somebody, some sort of a professional that you're like, I know that they do amazing work. They are an expert in their field. But you go to their website and it's horrible, right? So people don't get to see how great you are because your website is that bad. So that's why it's so important to make sure your website is just showcasing you, your organization, your business in a positive light. Talk about your services, talk about, your products, have videos, have pictures, have before and after galleries, have different things to really let people know how great you are. So anyways, when you're looking for a Colorado Springs web design company or web designer, we know there's a lot of options out there. There are some amazing companies. For us, we really want to focus on giving you honest, accurate pricing and also glorify God in everything that we do. And that might seem a little weird, but we are a Christian-led business. And so for us, we show our pricing on our website. We show you what it comes with. If you need web hosting, we're going to recommend Springs Hosting in Colorado Springs. To us, they're the #1 web host company. They're amazing. But we can help you with your domain names, getting your web hosting set up, helping you with e-commerce if you're starting a store. Look at a variety of different things to be able to help you and your business grow in the Colorado Springs area. Not only are we local and we're accessible, we can have a cup of coffee, talk about your project, things like that. We also build out websites fast and professional. So usually typically 3 to 5 days, you're going to have a rough draft of your website where then at that point we can smooth out the edges, add different pictures, add different logos or whatever you're working on. There's none of this 3 months to get a website built kind of thing. For us, we want to cater to you. We want to help you. We want you to feel like for once that you are a priority. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need a new website built and you're in the Colorado Springs or Colorado area, definitely, give us a call. Fill out our get a quote form. Check out our web design pricing. We also have free training that you can build a website yourself if you desire. So thank you so much for watching this. I'm Webmaster Chris Heidlebaugh with Colorado Web Impressions. And until next time, I do hope that you find success online, offline, and in your life. God bless.